What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I am still not feeling great. FYI. Feel about the same as yesterday. Sources deep within the Patreon.
That ain't gonna make a move up. I mean, I might get a push. Mike, you know, I retest this freaking 18. Which would be awesome.
Yeah, man, it's rough. I didn't do anything this morning. I haven't even brushed my teeth.
That could make it back up to $18 before becoming a short.
I had a buy arrow at 9.
Yeah, so Justin, are you gonna be doing that every day? Is that gonna be like an everyday thing, or kind of like you doing YouTube where you only do it like once every once in a while?
Like you did yesterday.
I didn't see him yesterday, but
I feel about the same as yesterday.
You look better than one.
I look better. I sound really. I feel like I sound worse.
No, you don't sound better, but you look better.
no, maybe
Yeah.
you sound better. The first thing you said sounded okay.
I do feel.
Play softball.
Yeah, I do feel like a smidge better, but I definitely I don't feel better in the grand scheme of things, I guess.
We're still sick. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, definitely. I just wish I knew what it was. It's weird. I haven't had a fever. My oldest, when he had it last week, well, it was like a week and a half ago now, he had a fever, but for just a day. My youngest got the same thing, same cough, same all that stuff, no fever. And then now I'm assuming the same thing. My cough doesn't sound as bad as theirs did, but I also have no fever. So it's my throat, which I'm assuming is what's causing me to sound like this. And I had a headache when it first started, and then I just kind of like feel weak. Yesterday I did have some trouble breathing like late in the afternoon, but it wasn't like trouble. It was just like you could feel it was there kind of thing.
Have you tried using a humidifier?
No, I haven't.
Sometimes that'll help with the cough and stuff like that.
Yeah, my cough hasn't been as bad as the kids. Like when they were coughing, it literally sounded like the croup cough. But like when I cough, it just kind of sounds like a normal cough. Like it's just my throat's irritated and it's causing me to cough kind of thing. Like where theirs, it's like that really nasty, deep, disgusting cough. You know, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, the croup cough.
Yeah.
It's not COVID. I got tested.
Yours is better than your kids.
Yeah, that's true. That's kind of what I was telling the wife. I was like, what if it is kind of like maybe it is croup, but like my body has learned to fight off like certain parts of it kind of thing. That was what I said. It's just weird because I feel like everywhere you read, like as far as because everyone's like COVID, and I'm like, yeah, but I feel like fever is like one of the main like I feel like everyone who actually had COVID had a fever. I don't think I've heard of someone who had it who didn't have a fever.
I'm not looking forward to that. It's going to take years before you get a cold. Someone's going to go, oh, COVID.
Yeah. Herpes, possibly. I probably should go, like, at least brush my beard. I literally got out of bed. I was actually kind of ticked off at the wife a little bit this morning because she went to work again. And, yeah. It's like, she talked to me last night. She even slept in she slept in the guest bedroom because she could hear how I sounded and could see how I felt. But then she woke up this morning and went to work. I was not too happy about it. One of my friends and another guy that my wife works with, they both have been vaccinated and they both have COVID again. So it definitely, I mean, they keep saying it's 98% with some of these vaccinations and stuff, but yet people are pretty commonly getting it. So I don't know what that's all about. Hey, what's up, Nick? I'm gonna blow my nose real quick.
$5.70 whatever cents I was in looks pretty good.
DTSS very squeezy. Carrot small YOLO long.
I'm not totally sold on those wings again.
Nope, nothing looks phenomenal.
That stock is kind of interesting.
Brian ever say why the scanners were working so long?
The time where, oh, they weren't working first thing?
No, they were working from till about 8:15.
Well, what time do they start? Like 7:30?
7.
Normally?
I
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Thanks for posting your screen. That's very well organized.
No problem. Makes life easier. I mean, there's so much you could put up, but I find those ones work the best for me.
Yeah, I'm about the same. I'm just still trying to get it organized.
Lyme disease. Nick locked at 92. Nice, man. Good stuff. Paul, you guys are crazy. Justin, you never answered me about Twitch.
Morning, Colin.
I am tired, shit.
Hi, my name is Colin.
Dollar on way DTSS.
Oh Jesus.
You imagine if Colin had something like I have right now. Or whatever, Colin.
I'd be charging 99 cents a minute.
Dane would show up.
You could have a job pretty much anywhere on the radio for as long as you're sick. Just have to do it remote.
I think he's got the radio voice already. He doesn't need the sickness.
Or you could even do like you could record a book, you know, like one of them ebooks or voice audiobooks. Jesus. And today, as we go into the fantasy land of Windows 10, we will see.
The audio version of the Windows 10 manual.
Passing if it
Exciting
decides
reading
to make
material.
another lead.
Going into the fancy land, huh?
Nice, Nick. What are you doing different that you weren't doing before? I'm always curious to hear everyone's aha moment, because you never know when it might be an aha moment for someone else.
Here's if no pop out of gate will reverse to SS.
We got 1 minute.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like button on the way in. Maybe it'll make me feel better. Because that's how it works. You hit the like button, it magically goes through my body, makes me feel better. Ever seen somebody take NyQuil during the day? It's gonna be me around 11:30. Verb is already out of shares, pretty much 21K. Guess ears will be our main watch here.
Ding dong, bitches!
You okay over there? If you hit dislike, will your voice get worse? I don't know. There's only one way to find out.
Is that acceptable on YouTube land?
Damn, Nick, that sounds like a lot of pressure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
I think that was well.
I've heard people who are definitely monetized say worse than that.
Gotcha.
There's one guy I watch every day where he literally says, hit the like button or I'll like cut your throat or something. I forget, what does he say? I'll have to look. It's a Philip DeFranco guy. Or he says punch. He says punch. I'll punch you in the throat.
Come on, D. What do you got on, Jag?
Okay.
Help a brother out.
Spy's trying to go all-time highs again, apparently.
That's up off $2 today, damn.
Bias?
Yeah.
Lots of rotation going on. XELA up.
I don't like it.
And then doing all the way down here, 493. I'm pretty sure.
Jeez, look at the volume in Zila. Yeah.
Zila's trying again.
Yeah.
Some nasty volume, or crazy volume.
KGC up huge
Yeah,
coat.
you might want to run, dude. Kind of like it over yesterday's high. I don't want to take it under.
Yeah, definitely. If I were looking to short it, I'd be looking for a 550 pop for sure. Still got some decent shares there. Float's rotated already on it though.
Break yesterday's high. That's a lot of volume, man.
Yeah, that's a lot of volume. Traded 514 million yesterday. That's crazy.
Then the taking, Hinkin.
Got some of that. And got out real quick. I give a quick 30 cent. Yeah. Yep.
He's got big calls.
Yeah, 11.14 to 11.44. Probably should have stayed, but I didn't trust it. It hit VWAP and kind of above VWAP and came down. Should have stayed. It's alright. I can live with that.
It's you.
Went back up.
So much.
I'm a little angry, but that's okay.
Went back up and then failed.
With a mine in.
Yeah.
Didn't make it up.
Well, not good.
I mean, it would have been a good sport, but.
Yeah.
MDIA. I was looking at that one earlier.
Still stupid it should have done.
Yeah, it does have a lot of room to move.
Needs speed.
It's not really my type of play though.
Should have stayed. Especially now.
And volume LOL.
Why? Because it's up $1 from where you got in.
Almost up $1 from where I got out.
Oh my God! Look at that thing go.
I guess I had the right idea. I just didn't trust it.
Rippity rip.
That hurts a lot.
There was your day. A trade. Yeah, a couple hundred shares. I'm guessing you probably didn't go super heavy on that.
No, I only went 100, but still.
Can't imagine you going in too heavy on that.
That was a long difference. Yeah.
Just because it could have gone. But man,
VHR
I
up.
should have jumped in that with you, man.
Waiting for volume /vest.
I suck. So why don't you kill me?
$26 versus 140. What would I'd rather?
$26.
Yeah.
Frozen in time LOL.
imagine that's gonna
Definitely
move too
coughing
much,
more
man,
today.
just because for the previous days, there had to be a lot of bag holders up in that river. Good lord, I got no trades.
Not alone.
Cat moving up again.
Yeah.
That thing just didn't even do
You got
anything.
any trades, Vash?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, that one back.
Anything that even looks good just doesn't really have a lot of volume.
He said he had a lot of shorts on Zella. I made some money on that one. But you
Yeah.
did a break.
Yeah.
No.
Definitely wasn't playing a double top there. Not with all that volume and it's already rotated.
HPI is doing a little bit of a run here. 30 cents or so.
Nope, no shorts, and I don't like where it is.
No.
Son of a bee.
And look at the imbalance on SGOC, 1379.
Oh,
Yeah. It was as high as 1450.
ATOS up.
Watching ATOS.
Even if I kept it, I wouldn't have went into the hold with it. All with it.
we wouldn't have held through the howl. Howl.
No shorts, ATOS.
It's a bigger float, but it's looking alright. Got plenty of shares to borrow.
You know, we got nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Hey, why don't you come to my pizza parlor?
Ala?
Yeah, we make the best pies.
What is this accent?
You should have tasted the one I made yesterday.
That's the night.
The Boston.
I feel like when my voice is like this and I'm talking, I sound like some kind of weird old person.
Can you get the quarter in my pocket?
I did that last
It's in there. You just gotta keep on digging. The thigh side. The thigh side.
You don't have a mass accent, do you?
no,
He does every once in a while.
with certain words I will. It's just the
Yeah.
New England one. 'Cause I grew up in Connecticut. Then I was in Arizona for a while, then back here. The kids do on certain things. It's like, what are you saying? What the hell's wrong with you?
Sandy.
What is up with the daily on BHR? It's like a random pip at 4,000.
Yeah, I don't know. That is a little odd. Does that give you any confidence to go long?
It's got a big gap to fill.
GOC. When you should be in 10 seconds. Let's see what you're gonna do. 'Cause now you're at 14 inbounds. And you did not open.
It's like everything 10-minute halts lately.
Yeah. OTLY maybe.
I feel like this is the one that I wanted to go, ATOS, but the ones that are going are these ones with no volume, BHR. And
This is about par for course.
mRNA for the bees of the world.
Have nothing to do for the 9 to 5, so I can sit here and pay attention. Nothing going on.
yeah, can you go do your 9 to 5 so shit can happen?
You ain't lying. Take it for the team.
The CAN and BHR both like look good, but they're just not moving. There's no volume.
So many OPPs I can't keep up pace with rolling eyes.
Galactic.
Do we have shorts on TAOP? Oh, never mind. There's no volume.
Can up, but that daily sucks and still needs volume. TAOP up.
Oh, we don't have shorts either, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, and we don't have to school.
Guess I should have got in Oakley.
TAOP up.
Yep. Do you have shorts on that one?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Starting to extend nicely.
Gosh, the
TAOP.
Order filled.
Little scalp there.
$.
Almost topped it. I got 477. I got filled on the bid at 456.
Yeah, I got the shitty fill, the 58.
Gotta hit that short ask button. That's what I did there.
It was kind of when I hit it, it was close, so it didn't go to that. Then it just dumped. It was just bad time, dude.
Yeah. Oh, there goes Can finally trying and do something. TAOP, I'd jump back in if it wants to go to 5.
damn can is down at $6.
Yeah.
There, dude.
Well, it's just the last time you were looking at it was when it was pumped up all the way up there.
Jeez, that came down.
That's why I don't like it. I don't like it because of the daily, though, because it does look like it's just due for a bounce.
Here's working out of it.
My lord, dude. I'm like, I think it's 30 some bucks. $6.
Oh, TAOP, stick it to me.
That's what she said.
I'll stick it to you. Where do you want it?
You know.
You know exactly where I want it. Listen to my voice. You know exactly where I want it.
Sounds like sexy or sick.
Can sorta miss. Can bigger co. Daily met. Up for now. Carrot.
Open yet?
Def want way more recap. TAOP $.
1442. Jeez, dude, that's gonna open up way up there.
There we go.
What is?
That's gone.
You'll see it jumped from the 1289 to 1440, 1450, really. Now it's coming down. Coming up, so this party's starting. The AOP's going back up.
You in it?
That's UFC.
What?
I've noticed these halts, man, Devin. They do it almost every time.
Until the gap and
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember that for a little bit before too.
Yeah. It does it like every time. It's crazy.
Look at that fucking.
I was hoping TAOP went high, like through 5.
SGOC
Sit there
Lolo
and
off.
click that buy down towards $13 when it could just go.
Go right back to 11.
Down to
Thomas, are you still in TAOP?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Well, I hope it doesn't go up to 5 then.
Oh my god, I don't have a trade, guys.
TAOP little more $. Stop B/E on rest.
So winner of the day. VTOS breaking down. VTOS breaking down. VTOS coming wide breaking down.
Looking for log there LOL.
Wow, dude, my gapless is
SGOC dollar on way.
I didn't say that.
CBA is a buyout, so quit looking at that. Okay, DTSS. There's one that didn't really break down. Interesting. Where everything else time tanked, this thing kind of just stayed here.
I got a fib line at like 570 forward.
DTSS?
Yeah, from a long, long time ago.
For the wind before the snow, look the man, look the man, look the man.
In December. December. There's one at
Out all ears.
Looks like so sexy, that is me.
TAOP with a couple lots.
575.
Good line to be drawn, bro.
It's old.
Okay, I'm like trying to find a way to draw a fib line on this thing, and I'm like, dude,
SGOC
I don't know
outpost.
this thing.
Let the rest
From
ride.
December of last year.
And that move it made 2 days ago gave the whole move back up. Now it's done this. Oh no, she might try to break down this level here.
Yeah.
If he holds it and shoots back above 6, it's probably gonna run.
Do we have shorts on JZXN?
No.
No.
It's starting to run back up a little bit.
This thing has a massive gap to fill on the daily. DTSS?
Yes, it is. Yeah, down to
Like-
like 410.
I'm gonna gap up. Like $16.
On DTSS?
I don't know if this is real. It's on the weekly chart. Had a big gap down from 16 to $4.40.
I don't even see that on mine.
Oh, it's on TOS.
I see it. It's back in March
Yeah.
of 19 or
That was the one I was joking in pre-market. I was going to go back to 16.
Gotcha. One day it will. Gotta fill that gap.
There you go, Thomas.
Bug.
SGO is testing 16.
All out.
You are the best trader in the world.
Went for that full move back, huh?
Don't let anybody tell you different.
On the leftovers.
Nice, nice. You know, Sammy, I can't always do that.
Been a whole lot nicer if I'd have got Phil where you were.
Because if it always did it, it would be at 0, huh? Yeah. I was expecting a bounce at 450. I mean, it tried. It got all the way back up to 470, but...
S got almost that level I had, 1760s.
I found that I have no problem getting back into a trade after I scalp it, just because I already have a winning trade on it, especially if it gets back up at the highs, but I was a little... I thought it was going to go hive day again. Just never did.
What is JEF? That's all of a sudden on my gapper list. It's because it's just got the volume enough to be on my gapper list.
And it's been grinding all morning. I ain't looked at it lately.
No,
BMX huge
I
co.
wouldn't have taken it up here either. Then I just don't need to do that. It's definitely resistance at like 34.76, but
Yuck.
That MDIA is halted.
I feel like a freaking newbie today. I can't find anything I like.
Already feels annoying.
Come on, Jag. Stop
Verb's
holding out
trying
on
to
me, dude.
extend a little bit here. Verb. Victor Echo
Yeah.
Romeo Bravo.
I'd like to see that up at through the highs from yesterday. Careful on the shares avail there. We only got 37K.
Yeah, it still needs a quarter. Start to pick up the loose.
Jag, why don't you tell me what you could? Like, seriously, Jag. What should I trade? Jag, tell me now. I'm just gonna keep talking to Jag for a sec. What are you watching? DT anything?
Was watching SGOC this. It's not very good right now.
Consolidating, chilling out a little bit. I could be your hero, baby. 3,000 shares traded. Team, I'm not gonna trade something that's traded 3,000 shares in a day. One more hour, I'm gonna cut it.
Verb 27 KTB. Thinks Jason hovering in the danger zone since PM. Through 2.75 and then 3, thing could get frisky. Alf near 13. Please.
No, coffee, don't be done.
Go can go. That thing doesn't even have that far to go to halt. 738.
say Echo Whiskey Charlie.
MDIA just opened.
MDIA going higher.
Tried. It's about the gap fill.
Down for the gap and go.
What happened?
Holy shit!
Who the hell is that?
That's Steve.
How you doing, guys?
Steve coming in for the MDIA gap fill.
Batteries are dying.
How you doing, gentlemen?
How's Big K going, Steve?
It's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. I got like 20 minutes. I'm going to pick up the kids. We're going to the aquarium for the day. So I just had to run and get some more balloons and some cake stuff. So I figured let me check in on you guys and see if anyone's making money. How's the market?
Won't be
How's the
forcing
market?
anything on this
Shitty,
one.
bro.
Awesome.
Yeah, you're not missing anything.
I didn't miss a chance to lose any money.
Crap Daily Big Cook.
You probably did not. It's been very uneventful.
Yeah.
Anything I would have gotten killed on?
Maybe.
Maybe that one yesterday. AHPI or whatever it was.
You guys sound so excited.
Come back.
It came back down though.
Alf started.
Just a little slow, man. Just a little slow.
I'll be back Monday-ish. Get back into the swing of things.
I'll probably be here Monday-ish too.
Are you taking off for the weekend?
What?
You taking off for the weekend?
Did I take off for the weekend?
Are you taking off?
Am I leaving town?
You
Yeah.
said you'll be back Monday.
No.
Right.
No, I'm not going anywhere, but I will be here on Monday.
You're confusing Steve.
I'll be
It's
gone
very
Saturday and
difficult.
Sunday. I'm not going to be trading those days. Friday either, probably.
Hey,
but,
Chaos.
I will be back on Monday.
You have to keep in mind, I'm currently in Pennsylvania, so I'm not as nearly hard as I usually am not.
God, I wonder where that smell's coming from.
I'm not in Jersey anymore. I'm in your town, DT.
I know you brought that Jersey stank over here, man.
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm only 2 hours away from you. I'm close enough.
Alf
There you
started.
Did you invite me out to the lake house to hang out?
Freaking
now?
missed Alf, dude.
And Alf
I know. I was trying to get in, but it never. Like I was waiting for that little pop through 1250.
Yeah, that'd be a little odd meeting you and your whole family for the first time. That would be awkward.
Especially knowing that DT like murders and buries people in their backyard.
There are some cats roaming around I'd like to get rid of.
You can invite Jack out to babysit the kids.
Yeah, and DT can take you to his bar that he works at.
DT can take your wife out. Jack can have the kids.
What 15 KT?
You can have some me
Too bad.
time.
Yeah, the bar's kid friendly.
Yeah, bring him on in.
The last bar I
Alf
worked at
dollar
wasn't
on way.
Even if I would have got in or tried to get in, Thomas, I wouldn't have got filled. There was no prints on the ask where I would have hit it.
WHLM 13 KTV.
All right, gentlemen.
1.8K.
I will bid you adieu. Good luck trading.
Later, man. Have fun.
Is Steve, to be honest, it's been nice without you.
Oh,
That's just like he's
Love you, Steve.
To be honest, to be honest, I believe you. And when I'm back, I really don't care.
To be honest, like seriously honest, it's not the same without you.
Good, bad, or otherwise, you'll leave that open-ended.
It has to be.
Being honest, I miss
And
you.
it's true. It's true though. Without you, it's not the same. Not
You're
saying
right.
it's a good or
You're
a
right.
bad thing, but it's not the same.
DT's been joining me early, so I haven't been too lonely, but I do miss you.
Oh, already getting replaced.
Oh,
You better get back soon because DT's trying to get your spot in my heart and my pants.
it's going for the older people.
All right. I can do things to you that DT and no one else can ever do.
I mean, DT is an older man. I don't know if he has the stamina that you have.
That's right. That's right. I mean,
God.
these lips were made. These lips were made for.
I know more tricks of the trade.
Dude, he has experience. He's got some, he knows some things that maybe you haven't learned yet.
At some point, experience is over the hill, so it just doesn't count anymore.
Yo, Steve, go take your cake and eat it too.
I am gonna have some cake.
Out
I
leftovers
am gonna
on
have some
trail.
cake. And
I
enjoy
love
it.
you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Later.
man.
Later, bro.
Tell Fashion I said hello.
I just said hello. Dude, does he not know that was you?
He probably thinks it was Colin. Colin was being an asshole.
Oh, that's just said hello.
Hi, my name's Colin. I'm an asshole.
It's typically how I introduce myself.
Starting to sound like Arnold
I heard you yesterday when you came in at first until I heard you say something totally assholeish, and I'm like, oh shit, that's Vesh. Like, who's this prick with a voice I don't recognize? Oh. Oh, yeah. Is that Scott halted again?
Yep.
That's halted right into that previous, that's a bad sign. That's right, dude. Sit here like a stupid head. I'm a big stupid head. Look at him. Oh my god, dude. This is god awful.
Wow, what a day.
Dude, what a slow-mo morning, huh?
WHLM opened.
What is it?
We have no shares. WHLM.
WHLM. Wheeling.
That would be a long anyway.
Weird.
Well,
I don't know, man. I don't like when they open up below the hole.
I'm just saying because it's a 1 mil float. I wouldn't want to short it.
And the hole price turns into float. And that looks like it's trying to. It's trying to. It's trying to. It's trying to. It's a good spot. I don't know. Above it. This Jeff has gone up to hide. I don't really know what to do with that though. Piece of poo. Today, man, I wanted a quick move. I wanted to make my money and I wanted to leave. And I made $3.50.
What? I made more money than Devin?
Today.
I made $10,
That is scary.
but lost 6.
I made $10.50. Yo, let's go.
Boom, dude, you guys are all with me today.
I can't wait till that one disappointing trade that I get for the day is $105 instead of $10.50.
Gotta increase that size.
I need the market to pick up in order to do that.
I feel like you're confident in their strat. You talk like you are.
I am. I'm just trying to do it systematically.
Raising.
I am. I'm just doing it systematically.
I gotcha.
I feel like if I do it systematically, it takes all the pressure off, I guess is the best way to put it. PLXP? Do we have shares there? We do.
PLXP up.
What is it?
PLXP. It needs a lot more volume though.
Again. Oh, I was trying to get above that yesterday's high, huh? Today's one of those days, man. I knew in pre-market that it wasn't looking so good for me.
That's the new liquid filled aspirin capsule at Walmart.
The PLXP, and that was the one that kept trying to move yesterday. Made some moves, but it was very choppy. Drawing, crosses above. Oh, look at you. Dude, I am all over the place. DLXP, this is all-time highs up here, man. Gets you at 1672, who knows? Lunchtime. Miss Steve.
Oh, Steve popped in.
Yeah, he thought I was Colin.
Your voice.
I'm pretty sure he still thinks I was Colin.
But at the very end, he goes, "Tell Vash I said hello." And Vash was like talking crap to him the whole time.
No, it was Colin.
Steve's mine.
What are you talking about, guys?
Oh, and just became Mickey Mouse.
It's a me, Mickey Mouse.
Why did
Yeah, I
Mickey just
definitely
go
can't do
Italian?
it. It's a me.
Come to my pizza party.
GOC is running again.
I don't want to touch that, man. On a day when I haven't made any money. Just, fair. I literally have a line right there to buy $18, and I just don't see it crossing.
My trade looks so stupid. I'm gonna post it again just to make it look so bad.
Sorry, man.
Fucking awful.
To make you feel better, let me post my pre-market trade at MINM. I never posted that one today. Here, I'll put it on like a 5 minutes, so it looks a little more stupid. This trade was stupid. Could have made money. Does that make you feel any better?
Jesus.
A little bit, but not as bad as me.
Getting much heavier size.
That's true.
I got into that thing 600 shares, and I have a profit of $3.50.
Yeah. Okay, at least I made more money from that with smaller shares.
So I'm gonna say yes. It makes him feel better.
Against me.
Yeah.
But then it didn't make that move back down until after 6, and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna trade 30 minutes before the bell. And it looks like I should have just traded 30 minutes before the bell. ELXP said no.
DDD Big Cook.
Bro.
Just watching.
Your SCOP trying to go again.
Get in a Jag, just trade that thing.
Which one?
SCOP.
Oh,
Trade. Do it again. Do it again. Don't do it, I'm kidding.
Verb is finally trying to do it, but now we don't have shares.
Verb is the word. If I could only be patient. 73. I took it out of like 560 something, and it's at 420. That's like I could have made if I would have just held that whole thing. That's a lot of money. Maybe one day I'll become a smart trader.
One day.
$1.46 per share. I'm 600 shares. $876. Cool. Dude, I don't know. I gotta try to become more patient with those things.
That's
Just
okay.
realize they don't have to work where I want them to, and I can add in. I could add 1,000 shares, and that could have been a huge trade. But I'm so right or right out.
Yeah.
Something I gotta work on, dude.
MIM is doing something.
Am I in him?
Really much though.
I can't even think about caring about that now when I had an entry at 573. Jesus.
Shares for IINN. I thought that was something. I thought it was spelled different.
Told you, dumbass.
Told you, you fucking idiot.
Oh, it's a new IPO.
Why didn't you hold it?
So now we don't have shares. If you guys want to see a new IPO that's halted, IINN.
IINN.
Yep. Got 5 candles in, halted. I don't even know what that is.
Forts.
With my eyeballs, it looks like 6. Or actually, that would be 4.
Inspiria Technology. Inspira.
They're all laughing at me. They're all laughing at me.
Okay,
Laughing emojis. They're all gonna laugh at me. Watch a horror movie. Watch a horror movie.
SGOC. Back to the moon.
Proprietary respiratory support technology.
it's jiggling to go one or the other.
Nobody got
TAOP all
shorts
out
on
there.
it, so who cares? That I had listed. I mean, that was over yesterday's high. There.
MTSL crap daily.
Spot would be like 1990s. 20 bucks, somewhere in there. Nope, got a
Maybe
VO double
5
G,
more
VO
weeks.
double G.
Pride is making a move, not that we have shorts on it.
IINN is open.
Doing anything?
Did gap up a little bit, but now it's coming back down. Gap fill. Oh, welcome to the market, bitch. Gap fill. It's first, man, just got to the market. It's already got a gap fill. Look at it go. That WHLM is about to halt up again. That thing's weird.
Yep.
The Bingle Nuggets.
Did you go somewhere?
Yeah, I got my dog. He said, hold on, guys, I got a VO double G. VRB.
I don't think anybody heard you.
I heard him say it, but I was thinking he was looking at his stock.
What just got halted? Was it LMK?
No, that Wheelum, WHLM.
I don't know what's going on with that thing.
Yeah, it's like up and down, up and down.
I could have swore he just said a K in whatever he said.
Nope. We're hearing things.
Where did this come from?
Well,
Eek put something in the chat.
Yeah, this whole Discord was a little active at 5 in the morning. Tim is the velocity trader.
I banned that one guy.
I figured that was coming. The guy with the Yoda thing.
I just saw it on my phone. He started talking about Bitcoin support and stuff. I was like, yeah, you're gone.
SGOC.
That's what I figured. It wasn't gonna be around long.
You don't think there's support for Bitcoin? Well, there is. I was like, ban.
SGOC.
And then I noticed like other people were like responding to stuff he said, I guess, because there was other stuff that didn't make sense. And I was like, oh, well, I guess. Oops. He's gonna give me another clue, but I'm assuming he's already talking about Ross.
Oh, he's got a raging clue for you.
Oh, I can't wait for this raging clue.
What's the clue, Ayek?
Give me the clue.
I'll show you
Don't
some.
hold it.
Give me the clue.
Give us the clue.
Just leave. Not stay.
Here's the clue.
It's talking about Ross, most likely.
It is.
It's not nearly as exciting.
Oh, SG
Wow.
dropped.
I love that he's talking about RIDE and saying there's no news to justify that spike. And that spike was 25 cents.
Yeah, it's not like it was ridiculous.
No, it's not like it moved up like $5 or something.
CLDX Big Co. Watching.
What's that?
Be a wiener today, huh?
Can you translate that for me?
The Bangkok Warriors, dude.
Spiritual warrior.
I am a spiritual. I feel like I'm a spiritual warrior. You are hilarious, Tim. Who is Ayek?
I do not know.
And you say warrior too many times in a row, it starts to sound weird.
Roads.
Even if you just look at it over and over again, you're like, wait, is that how you would really spell warrior?
I also thought the word oil. 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 The weird word oil.
Oil?
Oil.
Like
oil.
car oil?
And done with
Car
SGOC.
oil? Or olive oil?
In Baltimore, they say ool.
It sounds like O, I, and L should not go together. Oil.
Yeah, like who spelled that first? You ever wonder that too? Like, how did we even come up with the names for everything? Like, who was sitting there one day and was like, yeah, that looks like oil. it's like, all right. You know what? That right there looks like a rock. Yeah, rock. Yeah.
That right there looks like a penis.
Yeah, like who? It makes you wonder, like where did words even come from?
Closest thing that we made. Let's go to hot dog.
It usually comes from Latin or Greek. It's
Yeah,
usually breakfast.
yeah, but where did they come up with it?
Yeah,
That's
they
what
had
I'm
to have
saying.
that moment.
Yeah, like somebody had to like be sitting there.
Somebody created words at some point.
Can you imagine being the person that created them?
Did
Just
one, how did 1 + 1 = 2?
Your TD10?
yeah, I have it up. That's way off the bottom. We don't have shares either.
That's a big issue.
What a shame.
And it's SSR as well.
You're always so negative.
I know, geez. Why don't you point out some positive in that?
I mean, if you're looking to go long, I guess that'd be all good things instead of bad things. All right, SSR off the bottom. Those are things for a long to be looking at.
And I'm sure it bounced off of a fib.
Oh, 100%. Who got him good? Was it yesterday or Monday? Somebody got him good with that one. He wasn't here though. We were talking about some stock, and I think it was Thomas.
Yeah, it was me.
And he didn't really give me that good.
Oh, it was good. We all started cracking up. It was like perfect timing.
Ugh, dude, today's trash. Let's go. You got anything on Watch Check?
No.
Dude,
Two,
MR doing
three,
some
four,
stuff.
Stuff.
I almost said a bad word. I remember saying weird shit.
There's nothing that looks.
Yeah, this is brutal.
DDD tried to move up and gave it all back up.
ACRX, if it could have like a blowout here, would possibly be worth looking at.
Slow-mo day, man.
Yeah, that's wishful thinking on that one. If that thing's going to do anything impressive.
ACRX up. Need 1.80 plus.
I feel like the only one I missed per se was
LOL come back tomorrow.
what was it? Alf. Yeah.
He's the king of calling shit that's way up there.
Even Alf just had that big spike. And just didn't do anything.
I gave it all back. That stupid WHLM just did it again. Like gave it all back and then came back up and halted. It's such a weird one.
That's crazy.
It like keeps halting at a lower price.
What sucked?
That WHLM.
Gotta go PP.
Meanwhile, B's over here with like 7Q, like 22 trades.
Who is? Brian?
I was just being funny. He was asking us what the roundup is in the room. And we're all like 2 for 2, 1 for 1, 1 for 1, 0 for 0. And
SCPG gog. SCPH asterisk.
Do you have anything on SCPA? less SSR anyway, but
Yeah, we do, but look at that move in the after hours yesterday. What was that all about?
yeah, that was real interesting.
Is there earnings? Might have been. There was a lot of earnings yesterday. Eek, are you finally getting
Just say PM
my
Monkey
gifts?
Stream LOL. Saw asterisk. Can't type today. Just put it on your chart. Oops caps. Lying was totally on purpose. See you jerk.
Tomorrow I will probably sleep in until closer to the bed. I have a late night tonight.
I probably would have missed today if my wife stayed home.
Why do I have a late night tonight?
Yeah.
Steve's coming over.
Monkey's birthday dinner, and we're going to some super fancy restaurant at 7 o'clock at night, so we're probably gonna go there until 9 something.
Oh my god,
I
that's so
will be home
late.
till 10. I probably won't be to bed till 10:30. I'm not waking up at 4 in the morning.
Oh, that's right. I was thinking my time. I was like 10:30. Jesus, buddy.
No, 10:30 is 1, and 10, 11, 12, 1:30 is on.
Boy, look at all this stuff I could trade with.
JEF would have made a decent short up at the top, but there's really no reason to short it.
WATT, if you guys got shares, could be interesting. We don't have any. Through 3, that could be fun.
Never do. This thing moves so slow though. I mean, this could have a big ass pullback. But
Colin, I'm interested. How much does it cost for you to locate shares on Watt?
Easy to borrow.
Ooh.
easy to borrow for you?
Today, in the fantasy land of Lightspeed, we have easy to borrow shares on WATT.
Why are you calling everything fancy land?
Fantasy. Fantasy.
Fantasy land. It's because you're sick. I can't understand your words.
The guy called me about the shed that we're ordering yesterday, and I was laying in bed, and I started talking. I'm assuming I sounded just like this, and he was just like, "Is there something wrong with your phone?" He was like, "I can't understand you," and I'm like, "No, I'm sorry, I'm sick." I even told him, I was like, "If you can understand this," I was like, "Can I give you my wife's phone number?" And he was like, "Email it to me." I mean, granted yesterday, like when he called me, it woke me up, and I'm sure you know how you are. Like when you wake up, you probably sound worse anyway, and then you put on that, I was sounding like this anyway. He was just like, yeah. I guess, yeah, in a way, he was trying to be nice. He didn't want to like mishear me.
Yeah, no, for sure.
So the 100% though, that means you have to use 100% or no margin, right?
Right.
Yeah, because it would say 25 if it was 4-1.
Do I actually have to call CMEG to close it down?
Yeah,
Well, right?
yeah.
What is it? I didn't hear.
There's a form. It's in the portal.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Form to fill out to close your account.
yeah.
Make sure you transfer it to CME 1, 2, 3, 4.
Once you
Yeah,
get the
yeah.
bucks.
It's their own fault, man. They could have already been in the U.S. if they would just been on time like they said they wanted to be. You could have just been like, you know what? I'd like to just go to the U.S. account. And they'd be like, okay, click. All right, there you go.
Was that their goal? goal to have a U.S. account?
Oh yeah, they keep saying they're gonna have it by the end of the year.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Are they gonna get rid of their overseas account or just have both?
No, they're gonna have both. They're actually doing U.S. and Canada, and then they're planning on keeping the Spain and Trinidad and Tobago one. That like their idea is if people can
Get a
yeah,
BT, you can move it over.
exactly. Yep.
That's a good idea, man. Hopefully for them. Smart.
This is
Actually, they had similar pricing, you know.
WHLM did it, is doing it again.
oh, let's just see.
That's WHLM is an institution selling because today they're at 6%. The other day they were at like 76% institutional ownership.
Where'd you get my dildo?
Mark said it.
What are you doing with my strap on? Why is it stuck to the wall? How'd you get it out of the bathroom?
That was literally halfway up the shower, stuck to the wall. How did you get that?
And you broke the mirror on the other side. Oh god, the 70s where there were mirrors above your bed. Ugh.
Look over, the dog just got a big freaking thing of yarn. I'm like, where did that come from?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, yarn. Yeah, yarn.
That's what the code word is.
For what?
For giant black dildo.
You had my big black dildo. That would have been much funnier.
That's what happened in here when you were busy.
I keep my big black dildo hidden. I don't want the kids to find it. Be confused.
Don't they just have to move the shower curtain?
Put my big black dildos in the shower.
Yeah, stuck to the wall.
Oh. Yeah, you guys are way more experienced. I didn't know you could do that.
You're slow.
You don't have a lot of dildo experience. I'm sorry, DT. I'm not advanced like you.
We know that's why you sold your house the way you did, so you didn't have anybody coming in, so you didn't have to move it.
So heavy.
A handful, huh?
How did you find that? That was the first thing I packed when
stocking.
I moved.
Big truck for it. Jesus, dude. Is anything moving?
No.
I swear, man, I can't find a trade to save my life today. I mean, I wish I would have taken Jeff now, but...
The chit chat room is moving.
Where's it going? This needs a bounce, man. I can't trade this thing down.
Oh god.
Oh, the chit chat room is bouncing.
Bouncing.
Oh my god. Where do you
I don't get
find
the Discord anymore. 'Cause I don't have my
470,
screen. I just pull out all these
470, 4K now.
It's like,
Oh my...
oh, you can tell what we were talking about.
Jim Carrey one. Oh my god.
Yeah. Is that from Dumb and Dumber? No, that can't be.
Isn't that from me something me?
Ross
Did
needs
that
to
one?
update.
Oops, my bad.
Not SS there yet.
Yeah, we just got the split personalities.
Yeah, I forget what that one. Iris, Irene, me, myself, and Irene is something like that.
Come on, Irene.
Yeah.
She has a superpower.
It's like the Thor hammer.
WHLM stop B/E on
I
leftovers.
think Jeff was gonna move all the way down to like 34, but I just can't trade it down to
Turn down for
What do you
what?
JVF.
This is volatility
Jack
squared.
English Frank. I would need it to bounce or something. I just don't like it.
Did you notice that woman's like squatting on the bed? She's not even sitting. So what the fuck?
Already got one in there.
She's ready to pounce, dude.
Put it aside.
Watching Verb, VERB. Wants to actually go.
It's the word.
We actually have a lot of shares on it. DOS just hasn't
Yeah,
updated.
how about same one?
That's great. That would be so much better with the actual music.
So, yeah, it would be.
Go Verb, go. Go Verb, go.
You can watch that cat feed that builder all day long. Oh man.
Oh my.
There goes Verb. Oh my god, the post lady one.
I know, that's the one that got me, but then the girl under that one.
That was a design flaw right there.
I don't know how you couldn't see it on that.
Hey guys, I found Devin. I found Devin.
Good catch.
Oh, I remember seeing
Oh God.
that. I remember that meme going around for a while.
I like the
That post right there just took me to level 52. Let's go. Oh.
That's where you slap him on the back of the neck, cleans it off.
Hit you right out of there.
You gotta give the karate chop. Right? Whack!
anal sex work.
Oh boy. This went downhill fast. Market slow?
We've all lost our minds.
I'm going to spray paint RGB. Yeah, I've actually been looking for something to put up back there. I just haven't figured out what I want yet. I know what I want to put on the wall in front of me, but I don't know what I want to put back there.
He's helping you unpack.
I've seen that one before. That was funny. He's
God, every time I turn around, Arthur, there's something new.
You scroll down on the gift site and it gets really strange.
what the fuck?
Exactly. Oh,
It's Devin and Steve. Like, no, that's Steve, the referee. He looks like him. Let me help, guys. Come on, let me help. Hey, you know, hey. Oh no, I can't do it.
that hurts. That hurts.
All right, tell me you wouldn't absolutely lose it if
BTX
she was
stocking
looking at you in the eyes and did
0.70
this.
plus would be nice.
Just that look she gives. That's too clean for our conversation, though.
First asked to see a driver's license.
Yeah, true that.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, it's in the gift section, so it wouldn't be me getting in trouble. Yeah, you usually get the opposite effect.
It ain't gonna suck itself.
Verb 3 plus please.
Let's go verb.
Getting crowded though.
DTSS. But that's the thing. How can it always fade if it never goes up?
Out all WHLM.
Alright, I'm gonna go pee real quick before so I don't miss this.
So what's your definition of when they say it's getting crowded?
Guessing that question is for you,
Because Tim is not here.
Nothing is right here.
Nope, he left his desk.
Lord, there's nothing but obstacles to eating on the road. You gotta get out of there.
Crowded for me would be when the price action is just bound, like choppy. I mean, like when it's starting to get towards rotation, there's a lot of volume, and it starts to get like choppy. Like ass gets hit, then big gets hit, then ass gets hit, then big gets hit. It's never one way or the other. That's how I look at it as crowded. I'm not sure how David looks at it as crowded, but that's how I look at it. Like basically when you're guessing which way it's going to go because it can't really decide what it wants to do. which is essentially what Verb has done. Yeah, all the way up to this point. Like, it is going higher, but at the same time, it's look at how choppy it is.
And amount of shares traded too, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Like 27 million shares traded here.
Yeah. I mean, now if it wants to blow off and, you know, go on a nice little squeeze, then hell yeah. But up until this point, I would never be interested in trading this.
It's like the only thing holding this trend. So crazy.
Yeah, you're not wrong with DTSS. I mean, minus the, well, I guess that day it was about 50%. Then it gapped up like crazy. No, it was, I only sneezed once today. Snows. I snoozed once. Sneezed. I'm just making up words. The schnozberries taste like schnozberries. I mean, see how it's literally fighting to try to go up 1 or 2 cents. Then it chops around, then goes a little higher, and chops around, and goes a little higher. Oh, for sure, Sammy. I mean, that's kind of what trading is: finding an edge and exploiting it to the best of your ability.
This 290 is going to be difficult.
Well, and that's the thing. It's like,
Back in February.
are you really looking? I mean, it's like pennies, kind of, unless you're using crazy big share size, which I guess on something that's as liquid as this you could, but see how it just went from 290 to 281, and it's just chopping inside that range right now. It's like that's what it's been doing all day. This WHLM is kind of doing the same thing, but on a much more drastic scale. What is this thing doing? It's trying to halt again.
Let's go, Verb 312.
Verb 3.20 now.
Made a little bit on Jeff. I'm FOMO trading now. Not really FOMO trading.
He couldn't be at the bottom. He just had to go find a shitty trade.
Yes, please.
Yes,
to
please.
get up there.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Do it.
I've now made more than DT.
Good old Chinese stocks.
Tim's got me beat.
You all have me beat at 0 trades.
There's nothing wrong with 0 trades.
Nothing wrong with the build.
I'm about to throw my money at
That
Verb.
was the desperation trade.
Not gonna lie, through $3, I was probably gonna throw something at it.
Thomas called it. I thought it was going to happen.
I went to go fill up my water, and I was like, wait a minute, this thing was just trying to go down. And then he's like, come on, 3. I was like, crap. I tried. Didn't quite get there.
So close.
Yet so far away.
So blind.
It's because it is. We're all waiting for it to actually pop.
Want to see like 315, 320 in one candle, wouldn't it?
Exactly.
And then I don't feel like this over 3 is still grinding. Jeez, dude, what a slow-mo day. I just wanna be loved by you.
Oh, say, can you see? What so proudly we
Oh my
have.
god. Ah.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars.
Nice. That sounds as good as people do it.
Come on, come on, Devin. I thought we were going back and forth here.
We were, but then started
Get
watching
stuck in
it.
the hard part.
Through the perilous fight.
Oh, say,
No, you like skipped the whole part. Once you forgot about the Rockets, man.
I don't know what it's.
What? You call yourself an American?
I'm un-American.
I bet you could say the Pledge of Allegiance, though.
Can't say that one, I think.
Let's go.
It's the pledge.
The flag,
Every morning.
United States of America, and to the republic which stands, one nation, under God, independent, with liberty. and
Oh, you don't even know it. Kick him out. Kick him out. Make him. You need to go take the citizens test. You're not even an American citizen at this point.
I'm not.
There's people that can't even speak English that know the Pledge of Allegiance and the Star Spangled
Well, they
Banner.
know more about our country than any of us.
They do.
This is true. That is true.
My favorite part is the Rockets part of the Star Spangled Banner because that's when all the Orioles fans come out. I'll never forget when I went to the last Ravens Super Bowl when we were in New Orleans when they were singing the Star Spangled Banner. There were so many O's that came when we were singing it. It was like the coolest thing ever. It just goes to show you like how many true Baltimore fans were there. It was pretty cool.
I mean, if you're at an Orioles game, you'd have to be like a hardcore fan.
True that. That's so true. I couldn't believe that we had 2 people make the All-Star game. Like, that was cool in itself. Well, we only had one make the actual All-Star game, but the other one was in the Home Run Derby. For a team that's basically in last place, that's It's actually not bad.
Are they dead last?
No, no. I think Arizona is. I think Arizona is worse though.
Oh yeah, 26 and 66.
And not by much, but
Stupid Houston. But
it's
what's
so
with the
weird
Astros,
too.
man? AL West
Yeah.
will finally be Oakland.
Well, the Astros have to cheat though.
Yeah.
But the thing about the Orioles, they're so funny, man. Like they just lose like the stupidest ways, and then like they'll beat the good teams. It just makes no sense. Like I wonder if it's more on the good teams, like kind of looking down, like, oh, this is the easy win kind of thing, and then they just, I don't know, get a little out of place. I don't know, but it's weird how that works. I'll never forget the one year where we actually had a really good team when Chris Davis was actually doing good. We had Mark Trumbo as well, and we kept losing games by 1 run. Like I want to say it was, we had some abnormal number of like 30% of the games we lost were only by 1 run, which is just unheard of. Oh, Verb, let's go. Do it. Do it. Go. Go. Look, he's learning the Star Spangled Banner.
It's got it on YouTube.
Yes.
With the lyrics.
Wafu's getting more of a pop. You guys have shorts on Wafu?
Arthur, fudge.
30K.
Wafu!
Like Apple's trying to.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that thing.
Creating a freaking Apple. How bored I am.
Yeah, I thought about it. I was like, I'm gonna move to large cap.
WAFU 30K shares though.
Jeff. Oh my god.
Wahoo. And the rocket's red glare,
Son of a bee, dude.
the bombs bursting in
I miss those days.
gave through the night that our flag was still there. Oh!
Oh, I got it. Out.
DT's out.
I don't mind it. It just hurts.
He's just gotta throw some soul in it. Pull the Mariah Carey version. Just vibrato, all of those.
Even Arthur's barking.
I did it really bad recently. You know, Fergie. Oh Jesus, dude! I could have made some money on those Jeff actually.
Wafu.
19K. Passy.
Oh boy.
I hope next week is better.
Oh, for real, dude. This is
Careful,
so brutal.
previous runner. Passing myself.
Sitting here looking at Apple, going like, should I? You know that's a bad sign.
B dollar on way.
Starting to think might be time to go.
Jeff has made a huge move down from the highs. Arthur. CG. You got yours on that, Tim?
On what?
Uniform Sandy Echo Golf.
Not many. $16K.
USEG Vaughn, 16K TV. Halted. USA 29K.
Oh, come on, Husa. Why can't you have more shares?
Sad face. B dollar on way.
Did you have shorts on that one, Nitesh?
We only have 16K.
Kind of a no.
Yeah, it's a big no.
My lord, man. We've had some slow ass days recently, huh?
Yes.
Jeff made it down to where I thought it would. About 50 cents to it. The bigger account, I'll be more patient with stuff like that. Still too quick to grab money. If I'm not, it's just something I really gotta work on.
$290's it for Verb.
Yeah.
Perfect little double top there. Perfectly grindy.
Still at that big goose egg for the day?
Yeah, I got nothing.
A rough one, dude.
Yeah. I've had a couple of these.
Yeah.
Actually, a few 0 days.
Only that kind of market, dude.
Yep.
I am still feeling like crap. I'm actually about to get off here and try to find something to eat. And then after I eat, I'm going to go lay down and hopefully not wake up until the kids are home. That is my plan.
Yeah. I'm sure the market will pick up as soon as I have a newborn at the house.
Right.
It's due mid-August, so it's going to get crazy around here.
Our officer was...
It's kind of, I wanted to stop for the day, man. Kind of disappointing because I haven't made money. Arthur?
Placed in that situation, and we're very proud of the way that... Any other questions? Other than what police officer, and I know that that he is actively suspended without pay, according to the Baltimore City Police Department.
At that.
That's just DT.
Pulling a bug.
Our officer was placed in that situation, and we're
Then
very
fly.
proud.
Oh.
Baltimore City
You leave
police
the door open
officer.
for 2 seconds, and you're like five flight.
I
USIG. Yeah, shares are gone. Okay. Jeez, look at you say that thing halted. This WHLM's probably gonna halt. Such an obvious long right there on WHLM. Only if I had balls. Who's got big balls? GBR, maybe? I was kind of hoping for through 550. Is it just literally going to poke through the double top from yesterday and die? Looks like it. Alrighty. I'll be on Discord, guys. I'm going to cut it off here. I'm going to go find something to eat. I mean, today obviously sucks, but yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow morning if I don't see you in Discord. And yeah, until then, peace.